Hello, this is Team Ajna. My name is Jikujos, and this is my team Nikhil, Rakesh, Jibin, and Nathan. Climate change is something my team and I are deeply concerned about. We've been looking into ways we can make meaningful contribution to solving this huge problem. One of the major causes of climate change is deforestation, and rapid logging accounts for a large part of this. And get this, 90% of all logging is actually illegal. Illegal logging alone is responsible for 10% of climate change. Now that's huge. We think there are three major addressable reasons why illegal logging is so prevalent. Firstly, the forest is too vast for patrolling. Then there is dense, swampy, and uneven terrain. And finally, there is reporting fraud. Locally maintained records are easy to tamper with. Ajna takes practical and cost-effective approach to tackle each of these three problems using surveillance via autonomous drones, detection using machine learning, and audit using blockchain. Let's take a look at Ajna's four-stage process: scan, detect, investigate, and report. Drones fly over designated areas at regular intervals and capture video footage. Deep learning is used to detect changes to tree covers over time. When significant changes are detected, a stallion drone is dispatched to fly at a low altitude and gather a more detailed footage. Upon confirming loss of tree cover, the incident is recorded on the blockchain and the authorities are informed. We hope that Singularity University will accelerate our efforts to complete Ajna with guidance, exposure, and the network.